How to add shape animation in Wix Studio. So I have in there this particular image. From in there, click onto this image inspector that we have right here. Then from in there, we can see in here is some animations by clicking onto this animation and effects. From in there, you can just scroll down and then we have in here this shape. So it will actually apply this particular animation into the image that we have. Let's head over and click onto this shape and then it should be able to show us what it will look like. So for this case, you can actually preview what it looked like by clicking onto this preview options and preview it into your actual editor. So it will actually be recognized as an entrance animation. And in here, it should be able to give us what we like into this particular case. So that's how you add shape animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.